Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 5th October 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So let us first look at the global markets. In the yesterday's evening when before US market open, they were showing some flattish and some volatility, but after the US market open, they have shown significant weakness, and also after the OPEC plus meeting, at, as they doesn't increase the output of the crude oil, therefore more weakness in US market have been seen. And also crude oil prices also shot up, and the Brent oil went above $82, and it was at it had crossed the 7-year highs, also due to which stocks also started falling in US markets, especially the technology stocks come under severe selling pressure. Also yesterday for about 6 hours, Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram stopped working, and Facebook stock fell around 5% in the US market yesterday, and this glitch can be because of some technical issue on their servers. And if you look at the Asian markets, most of the Asian markets were in deep red in today's session, but they are recovering. Crude oil prices also affected the Indian markets, as they are at the almost 7-year highs, and in many states it had crossed 110 rupees. And there is risk that during winters the crude oil and natural gas prices are expected to shoot up more, and due to which the uncertainty in global markets are going on. But if we see in the India's perspective, when the crude oil prices were low at around $50 or $40, then also it was not very cheap in India, as the government have increased the duties and other taxes in the crude oil and the petrol and diesel, due to which the prices of petrol and diesel remain high. And now when the crude oil prices are at the highs and they are more expected to rise in future, there is a possibility that the government will manage that gap by reducing the taxes, but we cannot be sure of the government whether they will opt for this strategy or not. All we can do is hope and bless for the best. Also we have to consider that UP election is lined up, so keeping that in mind, there might be chances that government will loosen some pockets by reducing the excise duties and other taxes on the petrol and the diesel, which will nullify the rising crude oil prices. But these all are hoping by the investors and the normal public. Rest all is uncertain. But ultimately, this rise in crude oil prices will be beneficial for some companies like Reliance Industries, ONGC, Oil India. These companies can show and are expected to show good return for the next few months. You can consider these stocks. Also, there are some tensions in the IT sector, as the global markets and global economies are not performing good and are not in a very good situation. Therefore, the workload from outside India and the developed countries may affect the revenues and order books of the IT companies, especially like Wipro, Infosys, TCS. Although they have already corrected much, but still the clouds of uncertainties are still hovering around these companies due to the global tensions. So, for the next few trading days and also for the next few months, you can consider ONGC, Reliance Industries, Oil India. These companies can give you significant return in future. So that's all for the today's episode. I hope you liked our episode. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe our channel to get timely notification whenever we upload new episode. And also you can join us on our Telegram channel, whose link is mentioned in the description. So thank you and good day.